of a cute toucan with its distinctive long beak and vibrant feathers. We will gradually draw details such as the head, beak, body, wings, and tail of the bird. Each part of the bird needs to be carefully outlined so that the picture will look balanced. When drawing the beak, pay attention to its length and slightly curved shape, as this is the toucan's most striking feature. Next, we will continue by drawing the round body, small wings, and the bird's legs as it stands on a branch. Don't forget to add the details of the feathers at the back, as this will bring softness and refinement to the drawing. Once all the lines are completed, we will start coloring. Coloring is a crucial step in making the picture come alive. Toucans usually have very colorful feathers, so we will use many bright and vibrant colors to create an eye-catching picture. You can choose colors like green, pink, yellow, orange, purple, and blue to make the image as lively as the toucan in the picture. The beak is often colored in shades of green and pink, while the bird's body can be filled with rainbow-like hues from orange, red, yellow, to blue and purple. The branch where the bird is perched can be colored brown, which will highlight the bird in the picture. Don't forget to color evenly and pay attention to the small details to create a perfect drawing. Once finished, our picture will be beautiful, colorful, and full of life. I hope you all have a fun and creative drawing session.
Red. Yellow.